Hi, I'm Lindsay. Right now I'm getting my house ready to move. We are packing up. We'll be moving here in about 2 weeks. Pardon the bit of a mess, but we've got kiddos, as you can see. It's going well, but it just takes a lot of planning and thinking things out. We have a 2-story house, so we've focused on the upper level, getting everything ready. So we're just kind of working through the challenges of packing and moving with 2 kids. It's worked really well for us to go ahead and pack all of the kids' items, their room decor, everything except for a few toys. We've also been using Facebook Marketplace to sell a lot of the bigger things that we're going to replace. I think what's been successful is packing things that are not used daily. So for us, our kids have a ton of toys, and we packed away most of the things that we have for them and just kept out just a few items that are not too hard to clean up. So anything with tiny parts has been packed away so that we're not having to follow behind and pick those up. We sold a rocking chair that we no longer need, so that would be another huge tip. If there's something that you may not use too much longer, or if you want to get a new version of that item, I would say sell it